Realme X7 Pro versus the iQOO 3 5G. In this video, we're going to compare these two mobiles because these two mobiles comes in the same price range. So let's first start with the displays. This iQOO 3 mobile comes with a 6.44 inches of Super AMOLED HDR10 Plus certified 60Hz refresh rate display, and it is a display which was protected by Scott Sensation glass. Where this Realme X7 Pro mobile comes with a slightly bigger display, that is a 6.55 inches of HDR certified 120Hz refresh rate AMOLED display, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And when we talk about the processor, these two mobiles comes in a different process. With this Realme X7 Pro mobile comes with a latest processor from Dimensity, that is a Dimensity 1000 Plus, which is a 7nm build processor, and it is a octa-core processor which supports 5G and which was clocked at 2.64 GHz. But this iQOO 3 5G mobile comes with a monstrous processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, which is a 7nm build processor, and it is a 5G processor, and it is also a octa-core processor clocked at 2.84 GHz. Yes, slightly clocking speed of this iQOO 3 is higher. And when we talk about the variants, these two mobiles are available in different variants. This Realme X7 Pro mobile is available in 6GB 128 and 8GB 128 and also 8GB 256GB RAM variants. With this iQOO 3 mobile is available in 3 variants also: 8GB 128GB internal storage, that is my mobile which I am shooting right now, and the other two variants are 8GB 250, and the other two variants are 8GB 256GB and also 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. We cannot expand the memory of these mobiles unfortunately. And when we talk about the capacities, these are the UFS 3.1 storage capacities coupled with LPDDR5 RAM, where these are the UFS 2.1 storage capacities and LPDDR4 RAM, I think. And when we talk about the cameras, these two mobiles different cameras. This Realme X7 Pro mobile comes with a quad camera setup where you can find 64 megapixels of main wide angle and 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide and 2 megapixels of depth and 2 megapixels of macro. But this iQOO 3 mobile comes with a quad rear cameras where you can find 48 megapixels of main wide angle and also a 13 megapixels of secondary ultra wide and also 13 megapixels of portrait camera and also a 2 megapixels of portrait camera, 13 megapixels of telephoto camera. And for the front-facing selfie cameras, these mobiles has a lot of difference. Where this Realme X7 Pro mobile comes with a 32 megapixels of wide-angle camera, where this iQOO 3 mobile comes with a 16 megapixels of wide-angle camera. But we can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS with these two mobiles back cameras, and also 1080p 60 FPS with the front-facing selfie cameras. And when we talk about the batteries, this is the section where we can find slightly smaller differences. This Realme X7 Pro mobile comes with a 4500 mAh of battery, but it supports 65 watts of super fast charge. But this iQOO 3 mobile comes with a 4440 mAh of battery, and it supports 55 watts of quick charge 4 plus SuperVOOC 2.0. So these are the major differences between these two mobiles. And when we talk about the other features, like these two mobiles comes with the in-display fingerprint scanners, and these two mobiles runs on Android version 10 out of the box, and my iQOO 3 has Android 11 update. And these two mobiles runs on different OSs, where this iQOO 3 runs on Origin OS, where this Realme X7 Pro runs on Realme UI. And when we talk about the features, like these two mobiles comes with a Bluetooth 5.1 for this, Bluetooth 5.0 with this Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 6. So this Realme X7 Pro mobile comes with a stereo speakers, but it does not comes with a 3.5mm jack. Where this iQOO 3 mobile comes with a loudspeaker, but it has a inbuilt hi-fi DAC for the 3.5mm jack. Yes, it comes with a 3.5mm jack. And so these are the main important features of these two mobiles. And when we talk about the other features, like this iQOO 3 mobile is made for gaming, and it also got the monster touch buttons on the right side, and it also got a extra button that is for the Google Assistant, and we can customize that button also. So this is a gaming oriented mobile, where that means it is made for gaming and it is a beast in gaming. Where this Realme X7 Pro is a mid-range kind of a gamer, I can say. So these are major important differences between these two mobiles. And when you talk about the pricing, these two mobiles base variants will start from 29,999 rupees, And these two mobiles are also available in different colors. I will leave the links to buy these two mobiles in the description box down below with the variants and also with the colors, so you can check it out from there. So that's for the video. And by the way, if you want to watch the iQOO 3 review, so comment me in the description box down below. So comment me in the comment section down below, so I will definitely make a review.